Why did Wolf choose the WRC as the ideal platform to be its official lubricant partner?
There is nothing in motorsport matching the diversity, the spectacle, and the sheer excitement of the World Rally Championship, both in passion and also technological innovation. For us, it's an opportunity of bringing our story closer to motorsport fans and driving enthusiasts. And WRC it's a partner that sets the benchmark in high-performance rallying, with drivers and co-drivers bringing their vehicles to the very limit, testing their engines to the extreme. So overall, we are really proud of being partners of the World Rally Championship and their millions of fans around the globe.
What do you want to achieve within the WRC community?
We want to bring this fantastic motorsport as close as possible to our partners around the world. We believe that we share a lot of values in common with WRC, also principles such as precision, connectedness, determination, or being looking forward. So we are in really great sync, and we want to communicate this to the world. For instance, both Wolf and WRC believe that teamwork is at the core of everything. You only need to see at the relationship between rally and co-drivers, drivers and mechanics, the fans and the teams. It's not only a competition, it's really human, and it's about real emotions. Another value that we share in common is precision. At Wolf is all about precision and making every detail count. And we are also a forward-looking brand. We try to anticipate what's coming next and preparing the best way possible, because we believe that with preparation, knowledge, and making every detail count, you can really make the difference in the end. So in short, we are in really great sync with WRC. We want to communicate this to the world, and it's really a partnership that drives our common achievements forward.
How are you doing this?
We are trying to bring this partnership as close as possible, both in real life and by digital means. For example, in real life, we try to create what we would call once-in-a-life experience with our own private hospitality, which sometimes is priceless for our partners. And furthermore, we have the Wolf Power Stage, which has become an essential moment of every rally for the fans and for television. Here, the drivers go all in to try to get points and climb in the ranking of the specific rally, or try to take the points that are given to the fastest drivers of the Wolf Power Stage.
As part of the WRC platform, you're also the official technical partner of Junior WRC. Could you explain a little bit more about that?
Yeah, in general, motorsport and specific Junior WRC is the perfect platform to develop the lubricants of tomorrow. For us, it's really important because it allows us to bring racing technology from race to road and apply to our product ranges. And specifically as technical partner, we need to develop an oil formulation that fits 1 liter turbocharged engines and that need to get to over 200 horsepower. It's a little bit what's happening with regular engines. We see in the market that engines are becoming smaller, they require less amount of lubricants, and they need to deliver more power and even reduce emissions. So what we do with WRC is that we test our formulations under high demanding conditions. We will bring these learnings to our regular product ranges, and of course this is something that is beneficial for our customers and the users of our products.
How does this technical partnership work with M Sport Poland?
Well, the magic happens with the in-house development of a racing oil, which is then tested at our laboratory in Chemixem, and is also subject to an engine test at M Sport Poland. The process that is followed is what we would call the dyno test, which is divided in 2 sequences. The first sequence is a performance test versus a reference oil. Here we will check if the oil can deliver the expected torque and output power, also other parameters that are important in the oil, such as oil pressure. It will also be defined if we can go to the second sequence, which is then the endurance test. Here the oil will be checked under reliability test of 2,000 kilometer cycle to try to show the normal conditions of a rally. During and after each sequence, we are taking samples and they are analyzed by our research and development team, which will see the oil behavior and will analyze if we need to do some adjustments in the oil formulation. If all the tests are passed, the oil is validated and we will be able to use it in rally conditions.